Welcome back to PMLearn, your go-to destination for mastering project management and agile frameworks. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever finished a project on time, strictly within budget, only to find out that the client or customer rarely uses it because it didn't solve their actual problem? In project management, building a product is only half the battle. The real goal is benefits realization, making sure that what you build actually produces tangible business value. Today, we are analyzing confirming benefits realization in Scrum, exploring the famous IKIWISI principle, contrasting Scrum with traditional waterfall project management, and breaking down the exact roles and responsibilities matrix from the Scrum framework. Grab your notebook, subscribe to PMLearn if you haven't already, and let me break this down step by step. Let's start with this slide. What exactly a benefits realization? Imagine you own a restaurant and you hire a team to build an online delivery app. Delivering the app on the app store in an output. But the benefit is getting 500 new daily orders and increasing revenue by 20%. Benefits realization is the ongoing process of verifying whether your deliverables are actually producing those business outcomes, whether tangible like increased profit or intangible like customer satisfaction. Throughout a project, you can't just assume benefits will magically happen at the end. You need structured techniques to test, verify, and confirm value continuously. So, how do we confirm benefits in Scrum? This slide highlights the three primary verification techniques: prototypes, simulations, and demonstrations. Let me give you a real world example. Imagine a team developing a new dashboard for doctors in a hospital. In a traditional approach, you might spend 6 months coding in secret, launch it, and then discover the text size is too small for doctors on emergency rounds. In Scrum, at the end of every 2-week sprint, the team present a working prototype or live demonstration to real doctors and hospital admins during the sprint review. The doctor check around, test features in real time, and give immediate feedback. This early hands-on experience let users verify whether the feature truly meets their expectations before millions of dollars are logged in. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite concepts in Agile on this slide, IKIWISI, which stands for I will know it when I see it. Have you ever tried designating a custom kitchen or buying custom furniture? Before seeing the physical room, you think you want a giant island in the middle. But the moment you stand in the space, you say, oh, now that I see it, this blocks the refrigerator. Let's shift it left. That is IKIWISI. Clients rarely know 100% of their requirements upfront. They only realize what they truly need once they hold a prototype or see a working feature. Scrum embraces this human reality. Instead of punishing clients for changing their minds, short Scrum sprints welcome these insights. Allowing requirements to evolve naturally and saving thousands of dollars is wasteful rework. In this slide, we brings up our critical comparisons: Scrum versus traditional waterfall project management. In traditional project management, you do massive upfront planning. Changes are treated like unwanted guests through formal slow change control board. Value is delivered all at once at the very end. If the project gets cancelled at 80% completion, you often get 0% value and zero return on investment. In Scrum, planning is done iteratively before every sprint. Changes are easily managed by reprioritizing the product backlog. Value is realized incrementally. Think of waterfall like building a bridge. You can't drive on it until the last piece is laid. Think of Scrum like building an electric scooter network. You can launch 10 scooters in week 1, generate revenue, and add 100 more as your team. In this slide, we introduce a core concept, minimum marketable features, MMF. MMF is a smallest set of functionality that provides standalone value to the market or end users. Here a real world example. Think of launching an e-commerce website. MMF1 product catalog plus simple checkout with credit card, launchable and generates sale. MMF2 add Apple Pay plus product reviews. MMF3 AI product recommendations. Even if the company cuts the budget after MMF1, the business already has a functional revenue generated website live in production. Scrum ensures that even if a project is cancelled early, you never walk away empty handed. Now let's break down who is responsible for what when it comes to business justification and value realization. On this slide, we look at the core Scrum team. Scrum team developers. They ensure all deliverables strictly meet the agreed acceptable criteria and participate in continuous value justification. Product owner. The PO is the ultimate custodian of business value. They maintain the business case, prioritize the backlog for maximum ROI, and confirm benefit realization with stakeholders. Scrum Master. The Scrum Master ensures that team understands the project's desired business outcomes and remove obstacles that block value creation. When scaling Agile across large enterprise initiates, slide show how this scale to program and portfolio labels. Program product owner creates the overarching business justification for an entire program, a cluster of related projects, and provides value guidance to individual product owners. Portfolio product owner operates at the executive level, creating portfolio business cases, aligning multi-program strategic goals, and approving funding for programs. Program and portfolio Scrum Master ensure desired strategic outcomes are communicated while facilitating continuous value tracking across the organizational ecosystem. On this slide, we look at two critical supporting groups. Business stakeholders. They are actively involved. They help prioritize user stories in the product backlog and actively inspect deliverables at the end of every sprint to confirm real value realization. Scrum guidance body. Think of this as the Agile Center of Excellence. They establish guidance, standards, and metrics for evaluating value across the enterprise without micromanagement. To wrap it up, Scrum isn't just about finishing tasks on a board. It's a value-driven engine designed to deliver early ROI, validate customer needs through IKIWISI, and ensure every role is accountable for real business outcomes. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to PMLearn, and share this video with your fellow project managers. Question of the day: have you ever experienced the IKIWISI effect on your projects? Drop your stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching PMLearn, and I will see you in the next masterclass.